So week 14. So discuss the capabilities and limitation of ICDIS. So connection with other equipment and power supply. So ICDIS excel at connecting with other navigational equipment like integration with GPS, radar, and AIS, and even autopilot system in creating comprehensive navigational pictures. So like the previous video, we discussed already about the connectivity of the ICDIS to other navigational system, like even sa autopilot pwede siya na to magamit. So I think dili na siya ta idigdip because we have discussed this specifically. So the integration streamline operations, enhance safety, and allows the data sharing between systems. So because of integration, so the data given by the AIS, GPS, and radar can be transferred to GPS. So na siya interconnection, na siya connection. So however, ICDIS relies heavily on stable power supply. The power failures can render the system unusable, potentially jeopardize navigation. Backup power source are crucial, ensuring continuous operation during outage and minimize disruptions to navigation. So we also discussed this about the limitation of the ICDIS because again it is relying to the power supply of the vessel. So if ever na siya ma-black out, if ever na dili siya walay power supply ang barko, so this equipment are dili na to siya magamit even although na tayo gitawag nga backup power supply, mara siya battery on board na mohatag og power sa atong ICDIS and other navigational equipment para during sa blackout, still magamit na to siya and to ensure that we are at safe na natay may mga reference during our navigation. Maintaining the reliable power supply is essential for effective and safe operation of ICDIS. And the proper power management is crucial for ensuring navigational safety. The reliance on power supply highlights that the importance of traditional navigational skills and backup systems ensure the robust and reliable approach to navigation. So again, since nag-need siya og power supply, so it is also essential for us as a navigator na natay skills to navigate the vessel even if there's a problem on our equipment. So this is one of the requirements set by IMO for the installation of the ICDIS on board.